Hi family, welcome new family members. So today I'm just going to make breakfast for supper. I'm just making a little casserole with crescent rolls and sausage and eggs and cheese. Come join me. The first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to pre-bake the bottom crust a little bit. This is going to be a simple, it's going to be breakfast for supper. That's what it's going to be. I want to put it up on the sides here. I still haven't got myself some plastic gloves. I've got to get those yet. My poor doggie. She's hiding from me because she doesn't like the noise of these when I pop these things. Okay. I have to pop one more, baby girl. You have to hang in there. You'll be fine. Okay. Looks like I'm only going to need 3 of them here. Okay, I'm going to pre-bake this for I don't know how long. I'll let you know. Breakfast for supper. Yes, yes, yes. I already did the sausages. I cooked them and I cut them up. They're yummy. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. I mixed up 8 eggs with a little bit of milk because the milk makes it, I don't know, fluffier. And salt and pepper and garlic powder. Now, I have American cheese slices and that's what I'm putting in here. I'm just going to lay some on the bottom. And I'm having trouble with this. Okay, I can do this. I will not let cheese take me out. No way. I will defeat you, cheese. I will conquer you. That's the word. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I am going to put these sausage yummy bits. Okay, and I'm going to put some onion on this, and all I had was red onion, so that's all I'm using. About a half an onion. I'm just making this interesting. I'm making it up as I go. And I'm going to put some, these are frozen, but I'm going to put some green pepper in there. Because that's one green thing that I can get my husband to eat too. So anything green, I'm going to put it in there. Gives some flavor too. Okay, now I'm going to pour the eggs over this, like this. And there. And I'm going to bake this for a little bit until it just gets set just a little bit, and then I'm going to add more, top it with more cheese. Okay, we'll be back then. Okay, I think this is set enough to add some cheese. You have to pardon me. I'm snacking on the leftover croissants that I made. This is my baby girl. Right? I know. Oh. Got a little piece here to go. Okay, we're going to put that in the oven then. Get that melty and the rest of it cooked. Okay, it's good and melted. Now I can cut into it. You want some? It's cheesy on the bottom there. See, all that bottom is cheese, egg, and oh, yummy. Let's try it. I don't eat eggs very often, but when I do, I really like them. And it's got that green pepper flavor in it. The green pepper really makes it. And I can taste the onion too. Good breakfast supper. So thanks for joining me, and I so appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching to the end of my videos. I appreciate that, and I pray for you every day. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.